If you are new to Excel, one of the first things to learn is how to open, save, and close files the right way. This helps you avoid losing work, saving in the wrong place, or overwriting an important file. Let's start by opening an existing Excel file. From the Excel Start screen, click Open on the left side. Now, click Browse. This opens File Explorer, where you can find the workbook saved on your computer. Go to the folder where your file is saved. Click the file once to select it. Then, click Open. Your workbook is now open. A workbook is the Excel file itself, and it can contain one or more worksheets. Another quick way is to open the file directly from Windows File Explorer. Just double-click the Excel file, and it will open in Excel. You can also use the recent list on the Excel Start screen. This is helpful when you work on a file recently, but don't remember exactly where it was saved. Just be careful when the file has similar names. Make sure you open the correct one before you start editing. Next, let's save a new workbook. When you create a new Excel file, it is not properly saved until you choose a name and location. Click the File tab in the top left corner. Click Save As. Then click Browse. Choose where you want to save the file. For beginners, the document folder is a good place to start. You can also create a folder called Excel Files to stay organized. In the file name box, type a clear name like XcelTips _ practice. Make sure the file type is Excel workbook with the .xlsx format. Then click Save. After saving, check the top of Excel windows. You should see your file name there. After the file is saved for the first time, saving changes is much faster. Press Ctrl S on your keyboard to save your latest changes. This is one of the best habits to build. Press Ctrl S often while you work, especially before closing the file. Now, let's look at an important beginner mistake: overwriting a file. If you want to keep the original file and create a new version, use Save As. Give the new version a different name like XcelTips _ practice _ v2. Then click Save. In some cases, especially with OneDrive and autosave, Excel may show Save a Copy instead of Save As. The idea is the same. You are creating a separate copy, so the original file stays safe. Before closing a file, save your work first. Press Ctrl and S. To close only the current workbook, click File, then click Close. You can also click the X button in the top right corner. If this is the only workbook open, Excel may close completely. If Excel shows this message, read it carefully. Click Save to keep your latest changes. Click Done Save only if you are sure you do not need the changes. Click Cancel if you want to go back to the workbook. For beginners, if you are unsure, click Save. Here is one simple tip. Always check where the file is saved and give it a clear name. Names like Book 1 or New File are hard to find later. Use names that describe the file, such as sales underscore report underscore March. Then click Save. Quick recap. To open a file, use Open and Browse. Double-click the file or choose it from recent list. To save a new file, use File, Save As, Browse, name the file, and click Save. While working, press Ctrl and S often. Before closing, save your work and read any save prompts carefully. Continue building your Excel skills with Excel Fundamental playlist or watch the next recommended tutorial. Subscribe to XcelTips for more simple, practical Excel lessons.